Come on kids, today we will learn the name of vegetables. Let's start. Tomato, yum yum yum, yum yum yum, yum yum yum. Let's eat tomato. Cucumber, cucumber. Let's eat cucumber. Lady finger, lady finger. Let's eat lady finger. Cabbage, cabbage. Yum 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 yum. Cabbage, cabbage. Yum 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 yum. Brinjal, brinjal. Yum 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 yum. Let's eat brinjal. Yum 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 yum. Carrot, carrot. Yum 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 yum. Beetroot, beetroot. Yum 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 yum. Broccoli, broccoli. Yum 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 yum. Onion, yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Red chili. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Green chili. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Potato. Yum yum yum. Potato. Yum yum yum. Yellow pepper. Yum yum yum. Yellow pepper. Yum yum yum. Red pepper. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Capsicum. Yum yum yum. Capsicum. Yum yum yum. Lemon. Lemon. Let's eat lemon. Garlic. 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 Ginger. 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 Ginger.